Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Sanitation is more important than independence. These words of Gandhiji have laid the foundation for स्वच्छ भारत अभियान स्वच्छ भारत अभियान और क्लीन इंडिया campaign is one of its kind in the history of India, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on a perfect day of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October 2014. Narendra Modi launched this nationwide campaign that aimed to clean up the country in the next 5 years. For he believes that Gandhiji not only fought for independence but also for a clean country. The campaign aims to cover 4041 statutory towns to clean the streets, roads, and infrastructure of the country. The campaign was launched by the Prime Minister himself by cleaning the roads of Delhi. Its inaugural proved one of the biggest campaigns when millions students, employees, and citizens participated in the event, cleaning various localities. Modi exclaimed, "We have to change this mindset. He asked all the citizens, including celebrities, sports legends, and business tycoons, to join the campaign. Modi has invited 9 public figures: Mridula Sinha, Sachin Tendulkar, Baba Ramdev, Shashi Tharoor, Anil Ambani, Kamal Hassan, Salman Khan, Priyanka Chopra, and team of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma to make a contribution towards Swachh Bharat, share the same on social media, and invite 9 other people to do the same, hence forming a chain. He has asked people to share their contribution on social media. He asked every Indian to spend 100 hours annually in this drive. He has even urged the need to build toilets for proper sanitation. Modi believes that other nations are clean not only because of the efficient clean drive, but because of the joint efforts of citizens too. The citizens over there are aware of their responsibilities and thus refrain from littering. Volunteer actor Ravi Kishan said We always enforce our fundamental rights, but we never try to carry out our fundamental duties.